In today's video, we shall look at reverse parking. Step 1. Find a parking space where your vehicle can comfortably fit. Step 2. Position your car so that your side mirror aligns with the parking space line. Step 3. Before moving, check your surroundings. Make sure there are no pedestrians, vehicles, or obstacles behind you, and that you are not blocking traffic. Step 4. Turn the steering wheel to the left and move forward slowly until you can see the corner of the parking space in your right side mirror. Step 5. Now turn the steering wheel to the right and begin reversing into the space. Continue backing up until your car becomes parallel with the other parked vehicles. Step 6. Straighten your wheels and reverse slightly if needed to center your car in the space. Congratulations! You have successfully completed reverse parking.